In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets. We're going to focus on the simplest and fastest method, doing a one-time import of data from a Google Sheet into a brand new Monday board. This is perfect if you already have a spreadsheet with tasks, projects, or any kind of structured data, and you want to bring it into Monday so you can start using all of its views, automations, and collaboration features. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday account and also that you know which Google Sheet you want to import. It helps to quickly open that sheet in another tab to confirm the columns and the data look the way you expect. Inside Monday, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Add button. From there, choose New Board. Instead of starting with a blank board or a template, select the option called Import Data. This tells Monday that you want to build a board based on information that already exists somewhere else. Next, you'll see different sources you can import from. Choose Google Sheets. If this is your first time connecting Google Sheets to Monday, you'll be asked to connect your Google account. Follow the prompts in the pop-up window, sign in with your Google credentials if needed, and allow the permissions so Monday can read your spreadsheets. This connection is secure and only used to access the files you select. Once your account is connected, Monday will show you a list of your available Google Sheets files. Take a moment here to select the exact file you want to import. If you have multiple tabs or sheets inside that file, you may be asked to choose the specific sheet you're working with. After that, Monday will bring you into a column mapping screen. This step is really important because it determines how your spreadsheet columns will be translated into Monday's column types. For example, if you have a column that indicates progress like not started, in progress, or done, map that to a status column. Date fields should be mapped to date columns, numbers to number columns, and so on. If you're not sure, choose the option that feels closest to how you want to manage that data inside Monday. You can always tweak column types later. When everything looks correct, click Create Board. Monday will now import your data and build a new board for you, with all of your rows turned into items and your columns properly set up, ready for you and your team to start using.